Hey everybody, wanted to give a quick review of this Aotu portable camping stove. As you can see, it comes in this nice orange little carrying case. Pretty compact. Pop that open. Here is the stove here. So, like I said, super compact. Right here, you'll pull this out. This is the dial to increase or decrease the amount of gas. We'll pull that out, and all of these arms spread out and those pop out. As you can see, I've definitely used this a lot. It's gotten a little dirty. Still working great though. This button is the lighter part of the stove. So I have a tank here. I'm going to screw this on and make sure that's turned all the way to the right for off. All right, and just turn this on a little bit. And that's on. Now you can increase or decrease the amount of gas coming out. And I'm gonna turn that off. But yeah, I love that. I've been able to, I have a pot here. I've been able to boil a pot of water in the woods in about 2 to 3 minutes. It gives off tons of heat, and I've just been loving how it performed. I really love this. I think it's a must-have for any type of cooking, boiling water, anything in the woods. Great for backpacking. I love it, and I think you will too. Thanks.